Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 5 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 5 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter geometry, and the lessons we're going to cover today are area of triangles, surface area, parameter, area and parameter word problems. So let's just start with the first lesson. Okay, here I'm on grade 5 maths. The chapter we're working on is geometry. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is area of triangles. So you are given with a triangle. You have to calculate the area of a triangle. So first just look at the triangle. Whenever you can see this sign in a triangle, that means that is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means a triangle in which one of the angle is 90 degrees. This one, got it? This is a sign of the right angle triangle. That means this angle equals 90 degree, got it? So you have to calculate the area of the triangle. You are given the base is 7 meter, and you are given the height 8 meters. So whenever you have to calculate the area of the right angle triangle, you have to do half times base times height. That is the formula to calculate the area. You have to keep this very important formula in your mind, that is area equals half times base times height. Just put up the value. To be 1 by 2, base is 7 and height is 8. 7 times 8 is 56, and 56 divided by 2 equals 28. Got it? Let's just start with the practice question. Okay, what is the area? Just look at the triangle. That is a right angle triangle. You are given the base is 23 and the height is 22. The base of the triangle is 23 and the height of the triangle is 22. You have to calculate the area of a triangle. So area of a triangle is half times base times height. So just put up the values. It would be half times 22 times 23. Got it? Just multiply them and divide them by 2. 22 times 23 is 506 and divided by 2 equals 253. So the area of the triangle is, it is 253 square centimeter, because the um, unit for this one is centimeter, so it will be 253 square centimeters. Got it? So let's just select the correct option. Okay, the next one is, again, that is a right angle triangle, so you have to use the same formula. You are given the base is 23 and the height is 12. So base is 23 and height is 12. Okay, so you have to use the formula, that is half times base times height. It would be half times 12 times 23. Got it? Just multiply them and divide them by 12. 12 times 23 is 276, and 276 divided by 2 is 138. Got it? That means the area of the triangle is 138. I forgot the units again. I think it would be centimeter. It would be centimeter square. It would be yards, so it would be square yards. 138 square yards. Got it? Okay, now you have to calculate the area and you have to just write down the correct option in the chat box. So which is the correct option? What is the area? The base you are given is 24, the height you are given is 17. So which is the correct option? Use the formula half times base times height. So just put up the values. You have to do 24 times 17 divided by 2. So it would be 408 divided by 2 is 204. So the correct option is the second one. It would be 204 square meters. Okay, the next one is what is the area? We are given the right angle triangle. So which is the correct option? You have to do 8 times 8, that is 64. And 64 divided by 2 is 32. So it would be 32 square centimeters. Got it? What is the area? You are given the base is 8, the height is 16. So you have to do half times base times height, half times 8 times 16. Got it? It would be 64 centimeter square. So the correct option is 64 square centimeter. Got it? Okay, what is the area? So which is the correct option? You have to do half times base times height. So the correct option is 6 square millimeters. Got it? What is the area? Which is the correct option? You have to use the same formula, that is half times base times height. So which is the correct option? It is 12 square meters. Got it? What is the area? So which is the correct option? You have to do half times base times height. So the correct option is 168 square miles. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next one is surface area. Let's just start with the next lesson. Let's start with the first example. What is the surface area? You are given a cube, you have to calculate the surface area of the cube. Got it? So every face of the cube is a square with sides that are 8 yards long. Got it? And a cube has total 6 faces. Got it? So each face has same measurements. Got it? Because that is a square. So you have to calculate the area of one face because that is a square. So you can use the formula that we have to use to calculate the area of a square, that is area equals side times side. It would be 8 times 8, that is 64. Got it? But a cube has total 6 faces, so you have to do 6 times 64, that would be 384 square yards. The next one is, what is the surface area? You have to calculate the surface area. You have to calculate the area of faces in each pair, like this one and other side, this one, that is a pair. This one and this side is a pair. This one and the bottom one is a pair. So the given shape has 6 faces and the faces are pair. So you have to calculate the area in the form of pairs. This is the area of top and bottom. You have to do 10 times 6, that is 60. The area of this side, that is 6 times 3 equals 18. And then the area of this side, that is 10 times 3, that equals 30. So you have to calculate the surface area. You have to add up areas of all the faces. Let's just start with the practice question then. What is the surface area? So the given shape is a cube. Got it? Cube has total 6 faces and all of them are square with the same measurements, 5 and 5. Got it? Just calculate the area of one face. It would be side times side. You have to do 5 times 5. Got it? That is 25. Now the cube has total 6 faces. So you have to calculate the surface area of cube. That would be 6 times 25. Got it? So the area of cube equals 150. So the correct option is 150 square yards. Got it? Okay, the next one is, what is the surface area? So for this figure, you have to calculate the surface area in the you have to calculate the area of faces in the pair. The top and the bottom, this one and the bottom one. It has the measurements 8 and 9. 8 and 9. It would be 9 times 8 equals 72. That is the area of top, and the bottom is also same. That would be 9 times 8 equals 72. Got it? Then this side and on the other one, that is here, 9 and 4. 9 and 4. To be 9 times 4 equals 36. Other pair has also the same measurements. It would be 9 times 4 is 36. Then this one, it is 4 and 8. It would be 4 times 8 equals 32. So for the total surface area, you have to add up area of all the faces. The surface area of the given shape is 72 plus 72 plus 36 plus 36 plus 32 plus 32. Got it? So you have to add up the surface area of all the faces. So just add them. 72 plus 72 plus 36 plus 36 plus 32 plus 32. The correct option is 280. It is 280 square millimeters. Got it? Okay, the next one is what is the surface area. So you have to do the same thing. You have to calculate the area of the faces in the pair. The top and the bottom, they has the measurements 5 and 40. Got it? 5 and 4, sorry. For this and this, that would be 5 times 4 equals 20. The top has the same, that is 5 times 4. Now this side 3 and 4. 3 times 4 equals 12 and 3 times 4 equals 12. The other side, the back of this one. Got it? Then this one 3 and 5. It would be 5 times 3, that equals 15. So you have to calculate the surface area. You have to add the all the surface area. You have to add all the areas of all the faces. 20 plus. So that equals 94 square feet. So the correct option is 94 square feet. What is the surface area? That is a cube. The area of one face has 4 times 4, that is 16. The cube has total 6 faces, so you have to do 16 times 6, that equals 96. So the correct option is 96. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is parameter. What is the parameter? Use the coordinates of the corner to find the length of each side. You can find the length directly. You don't need to use the coordinate. That in an easier way. You can just find, you can count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means the length of this side is 8 and this one is 2. That is a rectangle. This would be also 8 and 2. Got it? That is an easier way. Or also you can find the length using the parameters. Got it? So you have to find the parameter of this one. So parameter is sum of all the side lengths. For any shape, it is sum of all the side lengths. Got it? 16 and that would be 20. So the parameter of this shape is 20. Got it? So parameter of all the shapes is sum of all the side lengths. Got it? Okay, what is the parameter? Let's just calculate the side length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 7. 1, 2, 3, 3. That would be also 7 and this is 3. Got it? You have to calculate the parameter of the shape. It would be sum of all the side lengths. So sum of all the side lengths is 20. So the parameter of the shape is 20. What is the parameter? You have to calculate this side length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6. This one is square. All the side lengths equals 6. And the parameter is sum of all the side lengths. So it would be 24. So which is the correct option? Nine, 9. So just add up all the side lengths. So which is the correct option? Yes, that would be 32. So sum of all the side lengths is 32. Okay, what is the parameter? So the side lengths are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6. So which is the correct option? The sum of all the side lengths is they are 26. The sum of all the side lengths is 26. What is the parameter? Yes, it is 6. What is the parameter? That would be 14. Okay, the next one is what is the parameter? So the side lengths are 3, 3. and 5 and 5. So the parameter is, yes, that would be 16. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Area and parameter word problems. Okay, the you have to do the same thing, but now you have the word problems. A rectangular piece of plastic is 10 millimeters wide and 1 millimeter tall. What is its area? So you are given with a rectangular plastic piece. The measurements are 10 and 1. You have to calculate the area. So area of the rectangle is length time width. It would be 10 times 1 and that equals 10. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. The parameter of a bookmark is 20 centimeter. The parameter of the bookmark is 20 centimeter. If it is 2 centimeter wide, how tall it is? Okay, you are given the parameter that is 20 centimeter. Bookmarks look like this. Got it? This is 2. This is also 2. You have to find this one. Got it? We know that the parameter is sum of all the side lengths. It would be 2 plus x equals 20. 2 plus 2 is 4 and x plus x is 2x. Move 4 other side. It would be if 4 is adding at this side. When you move it to the other side, it would be subtracted. So 20 take away 4 is 16. You can divide both sides by 2, so it will be x equals 8. 2 times 8 is 16. That means the length of the bookmark is 8. Got it? Each side of a square mirror is 6 feet long. What is the mirror's parameter? So you are given the side length of the square mirror, that is 6. You have to calculate parameter. Yes, you have to calculate parameter. For parameter, we have to add all the side lengths. So it would be 24. Okay, a square courtyard has area of 100 square feet. How long is each side? You are given the area, that is 100 square feet. We know that when we are calculating the area of the square, we do side times side and we can calculate the area. Got it? Side times side means that is side square. You can write 100 as 10 times 10 or either 10 square. When you compare both sides, their bases are equal. That means sorry, their exponents are equal. That means their bases are also equal. So that means the side length is 10. Got it? Okay, a rectangular piece of plastic is 10 millimeter wide and 1 millimeter tall. What is its area? That's the one we did on the tutorial. So the correct option is 10 times 1 is 10. The correct option is 10. Each side of a square calendar is 5-inch long. What is the calendar's area? So you have a square calendar. The length of each side of the calendar is 5. You have to calculate the area. So area of the square is side times side, that is 5 times 5, and that equals 25. Got it? So the correct option is 25. So the correct option is 25. The area of a rectangular price tag is 60 centimeter square. The price tag is 10-meter wide. How long is, how tall is it? Okay, so you are given the area of a rectangular price, that is 60 centimeters. You are given the area, that is 60 centimeter. The price tag is 10 centimeter wide. This one, 10 centimeter wide. You have to calculate this side. Got it? We know that the area is length time width. That would be 10 times x. So 10 is multiplying to x. So opposite to multiplication is division. Got it? So when you divide them, it would be 10 times 6 is 60. That means this one is 6. Got it? So the missing side length is 6. That means it is 6 centimeter tall. Okay, the surface area of an office desk is 3 feet wide and 5 feet long. What is area? 3 feet wide and 5 feet long. 3 feet wide and 5 feet long. So you have to calculate the area. Area of the rectangle is side times side. It would be 5 times 3 equals 15. So the correct option is 15. Got it? Okay, a sand volleyball court is 18 meters long and 8 meters wide. What is its parameter? So how do we calculate the parameter? 18-meter long and 8-meter wide. It is a rectangular shape. Got it? The other side also has 18, and you have to calculate the parameter. So for the parameter, you always add all the side lengths. So it would be, that is 52. So that means the area of the shape is 52. Sorry, the parameter of the shape is 52. Got it? Okay, you can complete the rest of the questions by yourself later today. So we're working on grade 5 maths. We're working on the chapter geometry, and the lessons we have covered today are area of triangles, surface area, perimeter, and area and perimeter word problems. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.